What is up guys, Julius here, and today I'll show you how to do this effect. Before I show you it, fair warning, there will appear some flashes, so don't watch if that triggers you. Pretty neat, but this effect is actually very simple. I am in my Adobe Premiere Pro and I have a clip of Brandon Semenuk. All credit to him. Let's just take a look at it. This is incredible video. And the effect I'm going to show you is not just something you would usually put on this type of video, but I just love it so much that I'm going to do it anyways. And I'm gonna use it as a transition and kinda line it up with the song. Today we are using the song Fiend, We Won't Be Alone. Let's just take a listen to the clip or the snippet of the song I'm gonna be using to showcase this effect / transition. As you can hear, there's like this bass or something that like ramps up like quickly, and I think a nice strobe transition could sound nice or look nice. So the first thing you want to do is right click in your project, click new item and hit adjustment layer. Boom, like that. Then you want to apply your adjustment layer on top of your clip like so. Next, you want to try and find out where in your song like it starts ramping up and like being, I don't think repetitive is the word, but it like keeps the bass keeps on rolling. Something around here-ish. Maybe like so. And then it stops around here. Like so. It's a little bit hard to figure out. A little bit before it sounds like. I think this is fine. So the next thing you want to search for is... the effect you want to search for is an effect called Strobe Light. And apply that to your adjustment layer, like so, and this will just blink. And there's a few settings you can play around with. You can change the color of the strobe. Maybe we should keep it white, but I'm just going to showcase the different effects. So I'm going to change it to cyan. The blend with original just kind of like blends it with the background. It looks a little bit weird. We're just going to keep it at 0. The strobe duration is the duration of like how long it is lit. And the strobe period is the entire period where it's lit and not lit. This, I'm not sure what is. Operates on color. Or make layer transparent. I'm not too sure what that is either. The strobe operator, this is something with how the color blends. So if it's add, then it's going to add like the cyan color to it. Possible. As you can see, it looks a little bit weird also. But let's just do copy now for the sake of the example. And basically what you want to do is have the strobe duration and the strobe period line up with the song or the beat of the song. And maybe, oops, let's change the strobe duration to 0.1. Like so. And the strobe duration to 0.2, and let's see if that fits. It is too slow, as you can hear, which means maybe 0.05 and 0.1 will do the trick. Still actually too slow. 0.04, 0.08. Yep, and I think we have the flickering for the transition. But now I just want to line it up with the music. That looks pretty well, guys. Let's just for fun try maybe the AND strobe operator. See how that looks. Oh, that actually looks kind of sick. Play around maybe with some of these blending options. Do we like this? That looks a little bit weird. Let's keep it at normal. Let's take a look at it. I really like that. Wow. So as you can hear, the song kind of like ramps up. There's like the beat kind of ramps up slowly. So you could already have the strobe here before it peaks. So what I will do is just copy this effect actually. I do this just by holding down Alt and then dragging the clip, and let's hear where the second one starts. Maybe let's try here and make it twice as slow. And let us see how that looks. Make it twice as slow just by changing the strobe duration and the strobe period. Looks sick. Let's try and maybe add that to the beginning of the clip as well, making it half as slow again. Let's see how this looks. Something funky. Give me a second, I will need to render it to see it properly. Okay, maybe just remove the first one. Something's off with like the beat. I'm no musical expert. This one, let's just maybe change the color. I don't know, that looks terrible. Let's try some of the other one. X or no, or no. Some of these look pretty cool. You can make some trippy effects with this. You know what? I actually prefer the and then let's make this one a little bit lighter color. Maybe this color doesn't work. There went something wrong with that other clip. I'm not too sure what, so I will just copy it and fix it again. Whoops. Yeah, it doesn't like blending with the purple. But as you can see, that effect was super simple to do, super quick to do. It might trigger some epilepsy or something like that, but I kind of like that effect if it's like an upbeat song. But if you learned anything new, please subscribe, hit the like button, and in the comments let me know what type of videos you would like to see in the future. Anyways, I'll try to upload a new video tomorrow. Take care, guys.